Asasikhathi nambile ukuthi temidlalo ne-Ace coach sisembobela sila imidlalo bakhona ku la sibona khona nje icembu lekhaya solandi kahle baphindze badliwa futhi igoli ecanzeni igoli elingene esombeni seqala badlala icembu Richards Bay ekubhethe Premiership bena kahle ke kuyo imidlalo yeNedbank Cup kipha nje solo iRun yaqhubeka ukuthi bangaphumeleli babudlala imidlalo webhethe Premiership namuhla izitino zakatamba kahle bahambe ke ekabana namuhla ekhaya badliwa igoli ecanzeni sebesikhulumisana ke nebaqeqeshi babili uqeqeshi weqembu Richards Bay nomqeqeshi weqembu lekhona lekhaya iTescala sive ukuthi nje babone njalo umdlalo sesive ke ukuthi bakhulume bathinje basibona ukuthi akuhambi kahle iqenjini ekhaya masibuka ukuthi indlela bahamba ngakhona namuhla sibone kube nemehluko lokhona bavama ukuthi nje bajijana goalkeeper lomusha kepha nakhona mhlambe zange bayinde batholele ama results bawathenga ukuthi bathi wathola kepha nje sithembe ukuthi bathi improve kuyembili because seduzane futhi nefinal sebesiva ke ukuthi umqeqeshi ubone njani umdlalo namuhla baphinze badliwa futhi ngegoli ecanzeni. Coach, today the game, it was good, you managed the game, but unfortunately also today the results are not the one that we expected.
Yes, obviously it's last 10 games. It's we managed the game, we prepare ourselves on good way, but when you concede the goal for one shot on the goal, one chance, and then obviously you try everything to create chance, to be more offensive, and then but obviously to change result you need to put ball on the net. Obviously we can't do that. It's not only this game. I think I analyze everything and then I have results, statistics. I think TS Galaxy is third team in the league with creating with a chance, how much we chance to create in this league. But obviously we can't equalize, we can't score. That's it. Quality up front. It's sometimes it's so difficult, so tough to accept that. But we can't change now. Nothing. Everything. What we have. Players. What we have is like that. And then it's painful when you see and then when your hard work in the end doesn't mean nothing. If you don't score, if you lose the game, your hard work, your preparation, your everything what you do well, doesn't mean nothing. That means we need to think about that, and obviously players need to understand that last third, we need to be more focused, more offensive, more also compact. We need to have numbers in the box. We do everything proper, but last touch, last shoot, miss, and then we just miss a couple chances, and then we let to Richards Bay win today. What I can say, congratulations to Richards Bay, deserve to win because fight more, but I think so is not also I think is not a better team, but when some confidence go down, when you lose a lot of game in the row, it's so difficult to bring that same winning mentality again and then be ready for the switch our condition. It's better to sleep overnight and then in the morning make some decision how we can do something better or change our condition. Obviously we need to win some games if you want to be positive and good in the league, and also that's game coming for the cup, and then it's a very, very difficult and tough time for us, but tough time always show good characters, good players, and then also strong people around us. It's obviously you can't give up, you can't say it's enough because still we have to finish our job this season. It's also specific for us from the beginning until now. It's so much turbulence in the club, but our job is to manage everything, to try to fix everything, and then let's see what we can do.
Also, coach, today you have made changes. I see the new goalkeeper. Your place today for the new goalkeeper.
Obviously, Sipo, it's our DDC keeper. He is so long with us. I know him from DDC team when he play, and then I know his ability, also his strengths. So I think he can be a good keeper. In the last last couple of weeks, he also has some small injuries, and then he can't stay early in the goal. But I won't put him because he have ability, he have strength, he have skills to be a good keeper for the TS Galaxy. And then also he showed that in this game.
Coach, going forward, you have a final now, 2 May, especially your run. Maybe your chances going forward, especially now the mentality of the players before the final, because you have a bad run in the league?
Yeah, it's difficult to talk about that. I don't like to separate league for the cup, and then also I don't want to think of cup before I sort the league. Now we have a tough game against Magesi, and then we can think about when time came about Durban City and then final. Obviously, before final we need to sort everything if we want to take positive result in that game.
Coach, hard luck today. Good luck for the upcoming games.
Thank you so much.
Coach, thanks for your time. You won away. You didn't concede. A tough game, but you won. Your analysis for the game.
Today's game was a game of us coming away from home to gain consistency. We wanted to be more consistent in terms of our away record. It was more about getting the result here this afternoon here, and the group responded very, very well. Coming back from good games against Stellenbosch and Pirates, good positive results. We had to have some continuity in the squad selection. We went for a consistent team selection, and the group delivered here this evening here. Not an easy encounter. Came up against a good TS Galaxy squad. It required us to have a lot of guts, determination, courage. We showed character to come out with these 3 points here this afternoon here, and we're grateful for this result.
Coach, second half, the home team came up strong, but you managed to hold them and eventually get the 3 points.
Yeah, we went into the halftime break leading 1-0, and we expected the opposition to throw in more numbers. They ended up playing the game with 3 strikers. We had to manage those situations there where we went to the flat back 5 to manage the opposition's offensive line, and they came at us at will, but we managed to defend gallantly and keep them away. And coming towards the end of the game, we had to bring in Mtetwa, Zuke to just consolidate the result, because for us it was about taking 3 points and going back home.
And then the performance for Sanele Barnes was the one who scored a goal, but at last we saw him got injured.
Yeah, Sanele Barnes has been very, very good for us this season. Yeah, we felt that we're using him in terms of his maturity. He's passing the right energy onto the group, leading the youngsters and chipping in with a few goals and with a few assists. Coming towards the end of the game, he was also tiring, so it was a bit of both, and we had to sacrifice him and go with another holding midfielder to keep the lead.
And also, you got 3 points away at home, and also you managed to hold Pirates when they were in strong position to win that game, but eventually you got 4 points against the 2 strong teams against the Pirates and also today.
Look, you know what, if you look back with our performances, previously we were not getting the best of results, but in terms of the performances, after doing the analysis and all, the team was playing good football. We were creating numerous goal-scoring chances. It was just a matter of time before we turned the tide here. And in the last 3 games, we've shown that we can box against the heavyweights in this league here, and we can take on anyone on our day.
Thanks so much, Coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, sibonile ke iqembu lasekhaya solo liyaqhubeka usingadlali kahle mabadlala ekhaya ku Betway Premiership. Sibonile ke benda kahle ku Nedbank Cup eba ku final, badlala kahle futhi mabadlala away eSolomon Mahlangu. Ipha nje iform yala ekhaya ayihambi kahle. Sibesikhumisana nebalandzeli nje basibona ukuthi nje solo baqhubeka aba give up basupport iqembu. Sibona ukuthi nje bathini ngendlela iqembu lenda ngakhona, especially eseba worried because abasekhona ku top 8. Engikhuluma nawe namhla bayihlile sebahlele phansi nombolo 13 after le loser namuhla. Asithathe isikhathi ngimele ngamukele sabona ukuthi iqembu lendi kahle kakhulu mani masidlala kumdlalo eweligi babenda kahle ngale ku Betway noma ku Nedbank Cup. Njengabalandzeli nithini kunokuthi kangakanani lokho indlela iqembu dlala ngakhona tu kweligi?
Mr. iqembu lalakhaya iTS Galaxy the Rockets mayidlala ku Betway Premiership ayisasijabulisi kakhulu. Sesihlala sikhala, I don't know why, but lengubukile we are lacking lapha ku defense nalapha kuma strikers. If bangalungisa lapho ngaba right, but ku Nedbank sisayibambe kahle, asitube siyibambe njalo. Siye ePeter Mkaba sifike sishaye iDurban City sithathe le Nedbank because nyalo sesibuke yona, but nanyalo ku league I cannot say ukuthi sisiphumile ku league. Asikaphumi ku league, we can maintain that top 8. Sesisibe sik number 12, sesik 13 or so, but I'm sure we'll bounce back.
Mama Fish lomunye nje wabalandzeli beqembu leTS Galaxy namadlala awe eSolomon Mahlangu khona ulandzela kepha usini kuwe nje umlandzeli omkhulu mabona adlala ngendlela le?
kubhlungu ngakimi njengemlandzeli we-TS Galaxy and njengoba ngilandzela ne-TS Galaxy Queens kubhlungu kakhulu and besinga expect lokho siyazi ukuthi i-team yethu ivamile kakhulu ukuthi noma ngabe ama-player ahambile la asele aperforme se asathi ukuthi kuwonakele kuphi mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi wabona kushaya Sundowns ngathi hayi man ma-team wonke lama-team zonke ayatimisela umatodlala nathi ukuthi it's like they are playing against Sundowns because akusasilula njengakuqala and uyakubona vele ukuthi baya-prepare kakhulu but nginelithemba nami njengoba asho president wethu lana ukuthi sitawubuya ku-top 8 nginelithemba ukuthi uma singabuya nale Nedbank sibuye ku-final siwine ngiyacabanga i-moral tobuya kuma-players ukuthi themba kutobuya kuma-players wethu kakhulu.
Nidlala futhi khona la ekhaya la eMbombela Stadium ngeLisonto against Magesi FC singalenzela ini uma usebole iqembu lamuhla sibonile coach uZamile wantshintshana na goalkeeper wasebenzisa goalkeeper lomusha we-DTC.
Nginekuthemba ukuthi naye Magesi vele isetambele then nathi si-capitalize kuloko ukuthi sithole 3 points kubo ngoba vele sebahambile kude lo bakudlalelako manje but we believe sitobuya back kuMagesi sisho ukuthi sitawubuya back they're not bad ngaleyo ndlela leyo ma players wethu bayadlala just that kuleka there and there but I hope they will come back.
Akugcina president tikubalandzeli sibanga give up especially ngowe president walandzeli.
Yes emavama ekugcina funa sathi ukuthi i-game there are 3 things you must expect makudlala i-game. There is a win, there is a draw, there is a lose. But i-lose akungabi ukuthi i-lose iyakwenda ukuthi give up. I-lose ikwenda ukuthi usoldier on ukhona kubona ukuthi okay I made my mistakes here and here. Then you must fix those mistakes. Ama-fans akathami konke ngema-numbers. TS Galaxy is a team, it's a brand. Now we are having even a sponsor now. We are supposed to rally behind TS Galaxy. Thank you, my supporters. We see asaqhubeka ayeda. Angayiboycott i-stadium. They must come and support TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy is a team. Siyadumuza.
Yes, vile ke balandzele babili sina president sina mama fish balandzele bakhulu beqembu TS Galaxy bayasho ukuthi bathemba ukuthi lithuba likhona badlala futhi again eMagesi la ekhaya ngeLisonto futhi khona la asembeke ukuthi baqhubeka ba support iqembu asembeke ukuthi kuba nemehluko sibonile namhla nozinthi lomusha mhlambe sitabona nalinye defense lensha mhlambe sitabona mhlambe alandzela bayabadlala ukuthi TC nje basibonile namhla coach yazama ukuthi iqembu linga give up asembeke usine support nje basibona namuhla toqhubeka njalo ilandzele iqembu kubuthi ba final emhla ka2 May batebedlala Ben City asembeke ukuthi le form lebadlala nayo lebabanayo ngale Nedbank Cup loyithasa futhi bayilethela abadlala Sunday khona la neqembu Magesi FC Ace the coach esila eMbombela Stadium hamba kahle kuliqembu la ekhaya kuyo iBetway Premiership 1 iqembu lasekhambeni Richards Bay North iqembu la ekhaya lesadumuza iTS Galaxy. Yeah, so sikhona la eMbombela Stadium sikhulumile ke nebaqeqeshi bobabili sakhulumisana futhi nebalandzeli sikhulumisana nemhlatile omkhulu sebesibuka ukuthi ikhamba njani eqenjini la ekhaya nje basibona irun yabo eqhubeka ukusebenzela kahle angisasesikhathi ngibelele ngomukele sabona futhi namuhla besenzele mhlambe emehluko ukuthi badlala ekhaya for the first time since badliwa nga-16 against Pirates sibona namuhla sabona coach Zamile walesana goalkeeper lomusha keeper nje still nema results akusiyo swalenzele nguphi mhlambe lokubonako lufuna bakulungisa kakhulu especially iqembu lenti kahle eTukwe League.
No asibonge Ace lokunye lokukhona lengibona ngazothi iqembu lingazama ukuthi bakulungisa ngibona baletha George bamletha nga-70 to 80 minutes akukho beyangakhona ukukuletha bengicabanga ukuthi bomletha maybe nge-second half masibuya bakhiphe noma mbunjani nobe babukela omnye umdlalo njengamahlambi befuna udonse yena kude lokunye beyasakuniketa kona bekumele kube bamdonse kudzala bambeya ngaphandle bafaka abadlali abatokhona ukuthi bakhona ekudlala but lenye mentality ngicabanga ukuthi bayobulawa ngilendo ukuthi baya ku Nedbank ifinal lokho ke ngiko lekubabulalako bangafocusa ku top 8 because remember iTS Galaxy release incumbi ama players so lokho ufuna kubanikete lento ukuthi each and every game sithatha ngestep singabuki igame lesiya kuyo because nyalo bola imatwana ngilendo ukuthi igame babuka igame bayakuya ababuki kule game abafocus egamini lela bafuna kubuka ukuthi phambili yondekana uma banga-adjusta kancane le nto ye-Nedbank because siyathi usinyala ifocus kakhulu ishifte kakhulu ku-Nedbank basenemagame lamanye lekufuna bawadlala bahlela phaya endansi kunombolo 12 do you think bangayibamba yini top 8 because siyayidzinga i-team la impumalanga leto khona ukuthi isi-represent njengoba sibona na ku-Motsepe Foundation ilicembu le-Kruger United uma singaba na-2 ama-team sibe-balance ngicabanga ukuthi kulokunye even nalenye into ngicabanga ukuthi le nto yasemuva ngilenye lekufuna bayilungise uma ungathi uyabuka lapha baletha fish bamletha naye sekusele almost 20 minutes usahamba udlala ngale left back mlethe kusesanesikhathi uyakhona ku-overlap ahamba phinza abuya athi khona kumakha futhi but uma bangakahluleka kwenta lokho angiboni ukuthi TS Galaxy ito khona kuchubeka bhuta
sibonga kakhulu so sikhulumisana nasihle ke khona nasihle kulomunye ke wemhlatiyi sive kusije naye ubone njani nje basibona ukuthi ilicembu la ekhaya man lenta kahle ku-Nedbank Cup kufanele kipha abadlala ngale tuke league ayinto ndatambi kahle sibonile ke namuhla bacale kahle kipha nje egcineni baconsider second half babuyile bazamile batholile ama chance egcineni bahluleka ukuthi bashaya goal so lo abenti kahle bakufinal ku-Nedbank Cup kipha tuke league bahambi kahle
ya ngibonile ukuthi iqembu le-TS Galaxy likhombise ku-strugglisha kancane and yeah ama-results awahambi kahle at the moment but I think second half ibuye yakhombisa i-momentum bese iphusha i-Richards Bay and Richards Bay nayo bese i-backtracker kakhulu so I think into lefuneka ukuthi iyende i-TS Galaxy ukuthi ikhona just to ukuthi absorbe le pressure from lama team lafikayo and then yeah otherwise up front njengoba shilo King B ukuthi it's kungcono ukuthi ba-introduce ama-player ma-impact player early on so that atoyendi difference because if baqhubeka ba-introducer second half sekusele isikhathi esincane then there's nothing much that we can do like there's nothing much that TS Galaxy can do I think if bangaqhubeka yana le pressure bangasabi then they can push on baqhubeka against iMagesi sifuna kubona le momentum the second half ukuthi batoyena njani other than that bayibambe kahle
so fanele badlala ngakhona babona benda kahle ku finals because nyalo ngazuthi nemoral iyehlile nakubadlali nelithemba selehla because solo ngicabanga bana 7 games in a row badliwa la eMbombela Stadium
yeah no I think le record if banga focus kule record ukuthi 7 games in a row banga win I think ngiyo into lengaba limata kakhulu I think i-mentality for them ukuthi ba approach every game ngathi i-final because by approaching njenge-Nedbank Cup final or Nedbank nje competition because lapho ngabasita lama player ukuthi akhona ukudlala properly banale mentality ukuthi bangacabanga ukuthi okay yes we need to lose 7 games in a row iMbombela we letting them down as ubonile la ma fans akhonile to back i-team yabo and like if TS Galaxy ingaqhubeka with the momentum lekuthi silana in front of i-home team home team thina lana ma fans ethabukele thina then kungaba nalendo le extra push back number 12 currently I think nyalo after the defeat back number 13 but akhona ama-game i-chances esakhona ukuthi bangaqhubeka bakhone ba-collect maximum points
sivile ke bahletile babile King B kanye futhi naye sihle babala kusije licembu balibona linga-improve kepha nje asithembeke ukuthi kutolunga indlela kwenta ngakhona sijabule ke sibalandzeli balakhaya masibona licembu lalakhaya lena indlela adlala ngakhona bayadumeka ukuthi badlala lakhaya benda sure ukuthi bathola i-win or i-draw kepha nyalo sebana 7 games eselabadliba kepha nje asithembe ukuthi batolungisa sibonile namhla coach uzamile ekusende ma-changes walesa futhi nanozinthi lomusha asithembeke ukuthi basebenela kembili badlala futhi again la nemageza asithembeke ukuthi sitobona amehluko le game lelenzelako coach eMbombela Stadium TS Galaxy 0-1 Richards Bay